So now we're taking it out of the oil. Gonna let it drip a little bit. Then from there, we're gonna put it in the parts wash to remove the oil. Alright. Yes, there's a million and one ways to do anything and everything in life. So, if for whatever reason this is offensive to you, or a waste of your time, or whatever, please, by all means, stop watching and go do something else more productive. Me, on the other hand, I believe this is fine. I'm okay with this. This is mine. And what's the word? When it's your project, you do it however you like. You know, if you want to spend brand new money on brand new parts, well, then go ahead and do you, boo-boo. If you want to try to make work with what you have and try to save a buck and have original parts, well, then this might be for you. But again, you will figure out your own way. There's, you know, like they say, more than one way to skin a cat. Although I've never skinned a cat, and I don't ever plan to. So anyways, you guys take care and have a wonderful day. So if you find yourself repairing an old scooter of any year, make, or model, I strongly recommend you do a little research, a little homework for yourself. Every scooter is going to be very similar, but very different as well. So for me in particular, this is a must, and this is a must. And of course, all of the wonderful information that is shared on the interwebs, all the different medias and social sites and whatnot. Anyways, you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Get back to work and fix something. Alright. Alright, folks. The front brake assembly for the 1985 Honda Aero 50 has been sitting in oil overnight. And the rooster says hello. So these are the current repair manuals that I'm working with, and of course a little bit of wonderful information from the good old YouTube. So thank you to YouTube, I guess, and those that provide their wonderful service. Printed in Japan, that's fabulous. Alright, and this has all the teardown of everything, lets you know everything, what does what, this, that, and the other. Look at that. What it should look like, how it should be secured, every little detail, every little thing. Anyways, you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Now everybody's gonna do this their own way, remember. So you do what works best for you. Alright, so I used this clamp, these 2 blocks of wood, the other clamp over there, clamped it down on the bottom so that way this doesn't lift up. Then from there, I use this all the way around, and I used the other one that's cone shaped. So I tried to get into as much of these little areas as I could down into here, make it all nice and pretty. Alright, then from there, I'm gonna give it a little bath in the solution here. Then from there, I'm gonna wash it off and check it out, and if I need to do a little bit more, then I will. Alright everybody, get back to work and fix something. Take care, have a great day. For something that couldn't be saved, that looks pretty damn good to me. Don't you think? I think so. You're right. I should just throw it all away and buy a brand new one, right? No, hell no. I like the vintage, classic, original OEM look, and I got new pads on the way, so we're good to go, baby. Gonna put a clear coat on here, seal all this in, make it nice and pretty. We're good to go. Alright, so that's basically the finished product. Unfortunately for me, yes, I chipped that little corner there. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's all finished up. It does have a clear coat on there to kind of seal it in. I was having some second thoughts and thinking maybe I should paint it red to match the vehicle, the scooter. But then that would make it custom, and I don't want any custom parts, but you know what I mean. Kind of do, kind of don't. But anyways, for now it has just a clear coat on here to seal in and make sure it does not rust anymore. Alright. So there she is, the finished product. Looking a lot better than what it did before. Got the new brake pads ordered, the new springs as well, and putting it together little by little. Cleaning every piece that needs to be cleaned, saving what I can, and going from there. All right, take care.